Then to do downloads is very simple. There are two ways to do the download. Depending on the mode that you are, in this case, I am in the mode actuals. You see that here we have actuals, budget amounts, budget journals, and encumbrances. In this case, I will use actuals, but the same method will apply for the budget journals and also for encumbrance. Then, because I am in the actuals, you can see that here also I am in the actuals. You can use the download form where you will be able to look for a specific journal entries based on this search criteria, where I could say, for example, show me all the ones that have test, and then I could go and look for those journal entries. Or I could even download all the journal entries based on a source or in a journal period, ledger name, etc. Then in this case, I will use the source spreadsheet. Obviously, I can go even look in the list of value and look all the ones that are in that with that search criteria with S. And in this case, I'm selecting spreadsheet. And then here I will put November 21 as the period. And then when I press download, the wizard will go to Oracle and download all the journal entries that are with that search criteria and bring me the journal entries. Plus will bring me also the attachments references, and obviously also will bring me the debits and credits and any other information, including descriptive flexors, line references, etc. Another way to do this download will be to put in the information on the wizard, type in the data that you want. In this case, for example, I am downloading that journal entry, and I could say here download using the sheet data. You can use the same method to download one or to download multiple journal entries. Then, for example, if I was going to download these two journal entries and I know the names, here I'm just doing a copy paste, then I could say download using the sheet data. And then with that way, I will also download the same journal entries that I downloaded before. And that is a way how you download journal entries using the GL wizard.